Hi guys. So, nagpagwapa. Nagpagwapa ko. Kay naaming makipag-meet ni Saffron sa akong bana. So, I do some makeup. And now, nainiabot na siya. Na-i-open daw na ako and I'm asking him, what is this? He told me he don't know. So, let's open this. Let's unbox this, guys. And, wala ko kabalo. Ang say sulod ani. But still, let's unbox this. Pero gaan kayo siya. Yaka man niya po. Pero gusto niya ipa-open. So, karon akong makeup, I don't know, is over. Siguro kayo akong makeup no. So, ayan na niya akong makeup mag. Hey, what is this? Hi! Han! What's this? This is not for me.
I don't know. I don't know what it was.
Kalap pa naman akin. Hindi naman pala to sa akin. Ano ba to? Tools! This is tools! Yeah.
What is it?
Continue ko muna to, guys. Tools! Bye-bye!